this is really where AI changes the game for the producer, and it's important because it's not about replacing them. It's going to be able to increase advisory value and not replace it. Right now, producers spend a huge time chasing and transferring the information. That's one of our biggest failures in insurance, is going from one person to another person. That's not where their value is. AI handles the heavy lifting, pulling policies, comparing coverages, gaps, and aligning carrier appetite. So instead of spending hours gathering information, they can spend time advising their client. And that's where the shift's going to be. They're going to be moving from reactive and transactional to being proactive and strategic. They walk into conversations already knowing where the gaps are, what needs to be addressed, and where the best placements are. So that's what increases the close rate, and that's what's going to build trust. And that's what actually differentiates an agency today. So AI is not going to replace the advisor. It's going to finally give them the time and the insight to do what they're supposed to do.